Hey guys, today I will show you the expansion market editor overhaul of my converter tool. So let's jump in. This- So I zoomed in, you can see everything. We start the converter tool. Then we going to open the MP missions folder or the type folder. But first, let me say the buttons down here are gone now because we don't need them. There was buttons like add to market, add to attachments, add to variants. I removed them because we have a context menu for this now. So what we're gonna do now, I created an empty market file and we're going to add items to it with the new function. So the problem before was we loaded the types file directly. So let me show you what I mean. See, so go. So here you can see I have all these XML files or XML files, which we had to load one by one and then choose the type names and add it to the market file. So like it was like, yeah, oh, I have the old converter version. No, I don't have it anymore. So whatever. So you had here the option to load the XML file. Then you loaded, for example, the weapons XML, and you had all the items here listed. Then you added your, I don't know, AK-101 to the market file, and then was the case where you needed to add, I don't know, medicals. So you had to open medical XML file again here, open again, choose the medical XML file, and let's say you wanted to add police clothing to it, you had to, again to open the types file, police, and this is gone now. So you just choose the folder now, and I will show you this now. Open types MP missions folder. So I go to my server MP missions and choose the mission. But you can also use just the MP mission. So select this, select folder. Then you see here on the top MP missions. It's the main folder, and there we go, all the missions. And then you can click here and it shows all the subfolders where the type file is located at, like the Daisy Sharanus Plus DB folder where the vanilla types are located in, here in the types XML file. We click on the left arrow and there we go. We have all items listed here from the types XML of vanilla Daisy. So we open now the market.json file I have here. So let's do this market. There we go. And that's now this file. All we're gonna do now is, for example, I want to add the vanilla AK-101, AK-74. Going to add it to the market. There we go. You see, this is added newly. And then we going to select AK-101 and we go and add the variants. And then we can add for the AK-74 the variants black and green. Then we can also add the attachments for the AK-74. And there we go. So we have now these items set up. So the AK-101 has no attachments. So we add the HCOG optic to attachments, and there it is. Now let's say we want to add to this market file now from the expansion types the vehicle sedan. or hatchback. Let's say hatchback. So in this case, we had to reload the XML file, like I said before here. But this is not the case anymore because we loaded the np emissions folder, and we can just go to expansion, and there's expansion types. We click this, open this, and then we add the hatchback red to the market. So there it is, hatchback red. Then we click hatchback red twice, the best way, and we select the doors for the hatchback and add it as attachment. We add the hood and the trunk also as attachment. And for the variant, we can add the red rust, blue rust, black rust, go to add to variants, and now your car is set up. Now, if you need to add the headlight for the car, which in this case should always be there, so then we go search for headlight, and there we found the headlight. So it's highlighting the type class name of the XML file where it's found. So it can be in any XML file here. So headlight, if you press enter, you see there's headlight H7, then headlight box, and there's headlight box again on headlight. So all we do now is click this, right click, add as attachment, and then we need Spark. Was it sparkling? Spark plug. So add to market. Oh no, wait, let's remove it from market. We select the hatchback again, add it to attachment. Sorry. So this is added. And I don't know, do we have wheels? The hatchback wheel. So the car needs 4 wheels. We right click, add attachment, 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 add attachment. So like this, yeah. That's all you need to know. And now let's say we want to edit the price of any of these. We select the item, like for the AK101, we can change this price to 1K, and it does change it to 1K, the min price. And the max price we do change also. What you can do also is select all items in the market file, change the min price to like 8K, and the max price also to 8K. And every item here in this market file is now 8K. Same goes for min stock and max stock. It's set to 1 by default if you add no items to the market with the tool, because this is unlimited stock in the market file. In the market, trader market, sorry. And the price percentage we can change also to 10 or whatever. So if you change this to 50, the player has to buy the AK101, for example, for 8K, but he can only sell it for 4K because it's 50% of 8K. Then quantity percentage is like -1. This means the item's always pristine. And yeah, you can change the display name of the market category. This means if you go to the trader opens up. There you have categories, and that's the name for it. So we name it like new market overhaul, for example, and it does change here. So the same goes for the current icon. The icon is currently animal skull, which you can see here. We changed that icon to like, let's say arrows. And we also can change the color. The current color is red. We can change it to green. The initial stock percentage is 50%. So that means that 50% of the max stock is loaded up. You can change this also. You can sort by display name, and you can check the checkbox is exchange. So these items are exchange items. That's the case. I guess, right. This maybe has changed, I don't know, but it's there, so you can change it if you want. Yeah. So what you can do also is, if we select one item in the market file, then you can see here HK101 as item, and variants also say HK101. This means we selected only the HK101. Now let's select all the items, and you will see HK101, HK74, hatchback, O2 red. So this means we selected all items, and from all the items it does add to these boxes for attachments the attachments of each item, which means now if we select here, for example, the AK-74 handguard, we only going to remove the handguard from the AK-74 and not for the AK-101 or wherever it's located. So we're going to remove this now, remove attachment. There, it's gone. Let's say we want to remove the spark plug. We can remove this too. So we scroll down, there's the spark plug, and we're going to remove this now. All right. So you don't have to manually select all these. You can do it also over here on the attachment and variants box. So if you close the tool now and we start the tool again, you can see the MP missions folder is still loaded, so you don't need to reload it. All you need to reload is the market file, of course. So you create a backup each time. So here you can see spawn attachment, duplicate found, hatchback wheel. Yeah, that's because we added 4 wheels. All right. And he asked if you want to remove the duplicate. So we select no, 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 and it does stay. This is just to make sure you don't add any duplicates at all. You don't want to add. So now if we go here, open the types or MP missions folder, and we do select from my test tool the mod types folder vanilla, which is this one. Then you can see I have separated weapons, tools, special, repair, all these stuff into different XML files, and they are all loaded here. So if we wanted to add different class names from different categories, different XML files, we had to load the XML files. That means now let's say we want to add Firefighter X to the market. Okay, we're going to add it now. Then I wanted to add, for example, from the explosives XML, the Claymore. You had to load the Claymore XML inside here again. This is not the case anymore, as said, and you can add it to the market. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the market editor overhaul, and I hope you like it, and see you next time.